doing Highway 70, getting ready to go through the tunnels, and I got my train horn on my Ford Explorer.
This is the second tunnel, but one of the bigger ones.
Yes, it's going to be a little loud, so I want you to plug your ears. I'll leave it roll into the second tunnel.